Hello students, myself Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Nyan School. Today we are going to study EVS Class 4 Chapter 8 Reaching Grandmother's House Part 2. In the first part we studied that Omana reached her grandmother's house. She used different vehicles like auto rickshaw, bus, a boat called ferry and even the train. Today we are going to study the next part of this chapter. Look at this picture of a railway ticket and find the following information on the ticket and circle them with different colors and discuss. So here are some questions. You have to answer them by looking at the railway ticket. Let's start. The first question is the train number. What is the train number? Look at this ticket. See here, you can see the train number is 9037. Next question is the date of the start of the journey. The date of the start of the journey is 24/12/2006. Next question is the berth and the coach number. See here you will find the berth and the coach number. It is 21, 22 and 23. The fare, that is the cost of the ticket. The cost of the ticket is, what is the cost of the ticket? The cost of the ticket is given here, rupees 2578. This is the cost of the ticket. Okay. What else is asked? The distance in kilometers. How much distance will this train cover in kilometers? Where is it given? Just find out. There is a distance given in kilometers. Here it is. 643. Right? Okay. Right? What are the information you can find out from the ticket? What other information can you find out from this ticket, children? You can find out the boarding station. What is the boarding station of this train? The boarding station is Bandra Terminal. It is Bandra Terminus. Here it is. Boarding station is Bandra Terminus. And the destination. What is the destination station? It is New Delhi. The name of the train? The name of the train is Awadh Express. Here it is. Awadh Express. Okay. So, like this, you can find out many things by looking at this ticket. A lot of information is given on a railway ticket. A railway timetable gives details about the route of every train, the stations along the route, what time the train will reach and leave each station, the distance covered, etc. We can buy a railway timetable from a railway station. So, a railway timetable. Well, children, have you ever traveled by train? Whenever we go to a platform, we see that there is a timetable put up there on a board, right? And why is this timetable put up there? Because it gives us details about the route of every train. That is, the different places the train will travel through. It is given on this timetable. The stations along the route, what time the train will reach and leave each station. That is arrival time and departure time, the distance covered, etc. And we can also buy a railway timetable from a railway station. Some portions of the timetable for the route of the train on which Omana travelled are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. So here is the some portion of the timetable for the route of the train on which Omana travelled. Here it is. You have to look carefully at it and answer the questions. There are some questions following this timetable. You have to answer them. Okay? Do you have textbook? Please look into your textbook. And you have to answer these questions in your textbook. The first one. Circle the names of all the stations in the timetable that are mentioned in Omana's diary. So, what are the different stations? They are Gandhidham, Ahmedabad. Look here at the different places. Gandhidham, Ahmedabad, Valsad, Kozhikode, Kottayam. These are the stations. Okay. The next question. From which station did the train start? The train started from Gandhidham. How many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? It stopped there for 20 minutes. The train stopped at Ahmedabad station for 20 minutes. On which day of the journey did the train reach Madgaon? The train reached Madgaon on the second day of the journey. Sunil and Anne got off at Kozhikode station. Omana got off at Kottayam station. How many hours does the train take to reach Kottayam from Kozhikode? So again you look back and find out. How many hours does it take? It takes 6 hours for the train to reach Kottayam from Kozhikode. So the answer is 6 hours. What is the distance that the train travelled over the whole route? What is the distance that the train travelled over the whole route? So that is also given here in the timetable. See here. 2649 kilometers. This is the total distance that the train travelled over the whole route. How many kilometers did Omana travel by train? So Omana, she got off at which station? She got off at Kottayam station. So how many kilometers did the train travel? See here, in front of Kottayam, what is the distance given? 2418 kilometers. So the answer will be 2418 kilometers. Would you like to keep a diary? Take a notebook or a diary every day for a week. Write about what you did. Also write your thoughts and feelings. Share your diary with your friends. So just as Omana, she wrote a diary, you also can write a diary. You have to take a notebook or a diary and write down. At least for a week you try to do this. Okay, what will you write in that? You can write every day what you do from morning to night. And you can also write your thoughts and feelings, okay, in this diary. And then you can share your diary with your friends. So children, here the chapter is over. You read this chapter and practice reading and also complete the work in your textbook, the different question answers in your textbook. Okay, thank you.